Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video is another of our wooden dummy transition videos. Going from set 1 to set 6. It's a variation, but before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So guys, 1, 2, 3, right? He's going to shoot another jab off of here. He's going to press it. I'm going to jut, right? I'm going to check Buji. Then I'm going to come over and Popeye Jarn. So it's going to be 1, right? 2, 3, Buji. Come back around. And then what I want you to do, Buji, come over, Popeye Jarn. It looks a little confusing on here. 1, 2, 3. Buji, come over, Popeye Jarn, but it's actually one of you guys. Okay. It's a lot easier on a human than it is off the dummy. Switch. So jab, hook, jab. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. Buji, strike, come over, Popeye Jarn. And you guys will like the Popeye Jarn. The other way, you can come over that way too. All right, so again, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Buji, good. You can come over or just work your way into the Popeye, right? So if you go back to here, 1, 2, 3, because the arm doesn't move on the dummy, you just got to move around the arm. Everybody okay? You sure? All right, go to work, go to work, go to work.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.